Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy futures on Webull. First, you'll need to enable futures trading permissions directly within your Webull account settings. This is a crucial initial step to access the futures market. Next, confirm your account meets the necessary minimum capital requirements, which are typically around $1,000 to trade futures, though intraday margins can be much lower. Finally, take time to thoroughly review and understand all regulatory disclosures and the inherent risks involved with futures contracts before proceeding. Futures contracts are essentially legal agreements between a buyer and a seller to either buy or sell a specific asset at a predetermined price on a future date. They are powerful tools allowing traders to speculate on potential price movements of commodities, indices, or currencies. You can also use them to hedge against existing market positions. Webull provides access to a range of futures products, including popular micro and mini contracts, which offer smaller contract sizes and lower margin requirements, making them more accessible for many traders. To place a trade, first navigate to the futures trading section on Webull and select the specific contract you wish to trade. For example, you might choose a micro E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. Next, decide on your order type. Common options include market, limit, or stop orders. Carefully specify the quantity of contracts you intend to buy or sell. Always review the initial and maintenance margin requirements displayed before finally submitting your order for execution. Effective risk management is paramount when trading futures. Always implement strict strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on each trade. Continuously monitor your open positions and keep a close eye on your account's margin levels to avoid margin calls. Remember, futures trading involves significant leverage, meaning even small price movements can lead to substantial gains or losses. Trade responsibly and only with capital you are prepared to lose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.